Now, small YouTubers are blowing up right now, and you think it is luck, as like their videos are gathering views, and you think it is luck. No, it is not luck. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 major settings you should rush to your YouTube Studio app right now and turn on. Now, these 5 settings, either you're using your laptop or you're using your mobile phone, you can actually access it. The moment you are turning those settings on, you will come thank me, because you will begin to see what a difference on your video views. Because I understand so many of you have done what all you can in terms of thumbnails, design, descriptions, and taggings, everything. In short, the way you present your videos, your accent, everything is fine, but your video still stuck, as like that video still end up in 20 views. I understand. I've been there. So in this video, as I'm sharing those settings, or as I'm showing you those settings, hold your phone or carry your laptop and start making sure that you do what? You turn those settings one after the other as I'm doing it. And this is actually very simple. In short, I will make it so simple to the extent that if it is today you are starting YouTube, you will understand how to put those settings on. Now, on this channel, I actually treat topic on what? Video editing tips and then YouTube growth. So in case it's the first time you're seeing my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and let's go. Now, first thing first, either your phone or your laptop, you're going to open your browser. So meaning either you have a phone or just laptop, you can do what we want to do, or you can turn on those settings either with your phone or with your laptop. All right. So now let's go ahead and then open your browser. Okay. When you open your browser, you're going to type YouTube Studio, either with your phone or with your laptop. Just type YouTube Studio on that browser. So click on the YouTube Studio and it's going to bring you to this interface. Now, when it brings you to this interface, the number one settings you have to make sure you turn on is when you are uploading your video. Okay, just follow step by step. Don't skip any step. Now, at your top right, make sure you're on the channel you want to turn those settings on. At your top right, you're going to see create. Go ahead and then click on that create. Then when you click on create, you're going to see upload. Now, click on that upload. Then select the video you want to upload. Okay. Now, many creators make this mistake of not turning this setting on, especially when you have over 1,000 subscribers. Now, select the video of your choice and then click on upload. Now, when this video have uploaded, scroll down, go down, then you're going to see more. Either you're using laptop or you're using your phone, you're going to see all this thing I'm saying. Now, click on that show more. When you click on show more, scroll down. Now, when you scroll down, you're going to see this 2 button. Look at this 2 button. This 2 button says allow embedding. Make sure that that button is turned on. Make sure that button is turned on. The second one that says push subscriptions to, publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. Make sure that this setting is always turned on, meaning marked whenever you are uploading your video. Okay, it is very, very important. Whenever you are uploading using the YouTube mobile app, you will not see this. But when you come to your YouTube Studio, you will see this button, and you have to make sure that this 2 button is turned on, because when your subscriber get notification that you have published new video and they rush the new video, the algorithm will feel like this video is important and they will begin to do what? They will begin to suggest the video. Now, let us now go to the second setting. Now, our second setting, you are going to be seeing it at your what? Come to this place that say customization. Now, when you click on this customization, go ahead and click on Home tab. When you click on Home tab, make sure that this button is turned on. You can see this button I'm pointing at. Make sure that that button is turned on. This button does magic. It turns your channels to collections of video whenever anybody visits. Imagine when you visit my channel, you're going to see varieties of videos. The reason why you are seeing that is because of this button. Remember, as a small YouTuber, I understand you did not know, and because you didn't know, you have been throwing away all your views. But when you turn this on, it's going to enable you to do what? To have what we call channel trailer. This channel trailer is what people see immediately. They do what? They enter your channel. For example, let's assume the person sees your video on the FYP and the person now feel like, okay, let me check this person's out. The moment they click on that place, because of this button is turned on, they will be able to see more of your video. And you can easily, and maybe you have been doing this, make sure that you always change your trailers every day you upload new videos, you change it. Then you're going to see future videos for returning subscribers, meaning people that watch your video today, tomorrow when they are going to be coming, they should be able to see another video. So make sure that you turn these settings on, which is our number 2 settings. Now let us now go to what our number 3 setting. Now in our number 3 setting, you're going to see setting at your bottom left. Click on it. Now when you click on it, in this our number 3, you have to pay attention because it's very, very important. Click on this upload default. Now when you click on the upload defaults, you're going to click on this place that says advanced setting. Now scroll down. You see, the reason why so many people are not liking your video is because you look at this video that say show how many viewers like this video. You have to make sure that this button is turned on, meaning mark it. Because if this button is off, people will always think that your video is not important, and whenever they see your video, they will just pass because they cannot see the likes. But when this button is turned on, people will see likes, and the more they see likes, the more people will feel like it's like this video is important, and they will want to watch. They will want to watch that video. So go and check your own right now. Your own might be off, so make sure that it is on. If this button is on, the more it will attract more viewers for your or to your channel or to your video. Now let's go to our number 4 settings. Now our number 4 setting is what so many creators neglect. In short, they don't even know. That is why you are posting videos. You are posting videos and you don't even know why your videos is not being suggested. Imagine you are posting football and they are now suggesting your video to music. It's because there's what we call category. This our number 4 is what? Category. You have to make sure that you have selected your channel category. Where as you open YouTube channel, the first thing you should even go and select is your channel category. So now, if your own is in none, click on that channel category. If your own is in none, if you are into teaching like my own, because me now I'm a coach, I teach about YouTube tutorials or editing. My own is what? Auto and style. But if you are into educational content, like maybe you teach mathematics, you teach English, you teach any other things, or you do all those educational content, choose education. And if you are into comedy, choose comedy. Any category, just come here and choose the categories that best describe you. After you have selected it, then you go ahead, you will see save. You see that place? They put save. In short, even though you are a mechanic, you have a category for yourself, autos and vehicles. You can choose it. So and the rest, even though if you're into tourism, you are into animals, you are into sports, you will see all of them. Just select the one that best suits you. Now let us now go to the last setting. Come to channel and then click on features eligibility. Now when you click on feature eligibility, make sure that this place is turned on. Your standard feature is turned on, your intermediate feature is turned on, and your advanced feature is turned on. Make sure, now the first one, the standard feature, is easy to enable. The second one, you verify it with your phone number. Then the third one, you take a picture of yourself or you submit a valid ID card. Because if these 3 features are not turned on, your channel will be limited to some certain advantage. Because you will not be able to go live, you will not be able to post longer video, you will not be able to use thumbnails. So you should make sure that this place is turned on. It's like, I noticed you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel. Please hit the subscribe button, okay? And when you hit the subscribe button, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, because I actually create videos that will help you as a small YouTuber just like me, all right? And if you want me to share any video editing tips with you, go to comment section and say, sir, can you make videos on this? And I will do that. So now I have just mentioned the 5 things you should turn on your channel. Number 1, make sure that your subscribers and the embedding button is turned on. Make sure that your home trailer button is turned on. Make sure that you select category for yourself. Make sure that your buttons for your video likes button is turned on. Then number 5, make sure that your feature eligibility, all of them are enabled. So before I will see you in my next video, look at this video. If you're still struggling for 4,000 watch hours and then 1,000 subscribers, go and watch this video. I've explained how you can get 4,000 watch hours or 1,000 subscriber in this video. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.